Okay, so this is 2015 paper 2 question 4. Again, as I say all the time, I suggest that you pause this video and give each part a go. If you want to pause it part by part, that's fine. And see if you can make the click yourself. If not, continue on in a second. So question 4, or 25 marks. Let's see what's happening here. The diagram shows a parallelogram, so the shape matters, with one side produced. What does that mean? Okay, just means that side continued on. Okay. Use the data on the diagram to find the values of x, y, and z. So, okay, I'll be given reasons, whatever, and answers, but let's just do the whole thing if it can be done. So you have basically two lines, two parallel lines, and a line crossed them, a transversal across them. That makes two triangles. So all the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So I'll continue on there. Now, if all three angles in a triangle add to 180, so 180 take away 110 is 70, take away 30 leaves that being 40. So 40 degrees. That's easy enough. Now, if you have two lines crossing a parallel line, basically looking at this shape here. So if that angle there is the same as this, so that angle and that angle with the same size. So if that's 30, then that is 30. Okay. Now add those two together. So that's a transversal crossing as well there. Okay. That's going to be 40. That's going to be 40. Now you weren't asked that, but then you have, okay. Now it could go 30, 40 is 70, that's 110. Okay, it will be the same as the angle across there. Or because I've added the 180, that means this angle there is 70. I could also have gotten that by this Z there, so the two angles here equals the angle here, due to alternate angles. Okay, so there's a few things going on here, a few reasons. Well, first thing is x is 30. Now, I don't know if the answer here is typed in, but whatever. X is 30, okay, there, due to alternate angles. Okay, get your Z. I see some of the students drawing this, okay, and marking in that as their reason. That's what alternate angles are. Now, y is 40 due to all angles of triangle add 180. So I've done the calculation there, and I've given the reason here. So z is equal to 70. Corresponding angles. Okay, yeah. Those two angles, that's the approach that I put here. So the 40 and 30 is 70. Therefore, this is 70 because they're corresponding angles. Now that's if you're looking at the parallel lines from that perspective. Okay, so that's easy enough. Now it's worth 20 marks of the 25. The last part here is worth 25 marks, a two-parter. The area of the parallelogram ABCD is 480. Find the area of the triangle ABCD, or ABD. So that's the triangle ABD. So it's basically half. So half times 480 is going to be 240. Okay, it's shown there. Now the next one, E is the midpoint of CD. Okay, find the area of the triangle BCE. So basically that triangle there. Now there's a theorem covering this. I'm not actually familiar with which one it is, but I would find this difficult because I wouldn't be sure. But that's creating two equal triangles. Okay, so again it's half of half the triangle. So it's half of 240 equals 120, or you could say a quarter of 480 if you're such a way inclined. But the important thing to take there for the last thing is just to make sure the units are included. Okay, so that's 2015 paper 2, question 4. Thank you very much.